Hello everyone, my name is Reisya. My student's number is 24 and from 8G. Today I want to tell you how to make guava juice. Before that, I want to show you ingredients first. Ingredients are 2 guava, 2 tablespoons sugar, white sweetened condensed milk, no water, and shaved ice. Guava into small pieces. Blend guava until smooth. Add sugar and sweetened condensed milk. And no water. And the last, add shaved ice to blend again. The guava juice into a serving glass. Yay! Guava juice is ready. Isn't it easy to make it right? Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your juice.